With bigger tax refunds expected this year, scammers are trying to get in on the action.
WCNC Charlotte's Megan Bragg warns us of a new tax scam going around, so you're not left asking where's the money.
Early filing data from the IRS shows the average tax refund is about 14% higher so far this year compared to last year. But there are several scams going around to try to get your money.
The big, beautiful bill signed into law last year opened up more opportunities for people to get more money in their pockets this tax season.
But we are expecting not only bigger refunds, but a lot bigger refunds.
Mark Stieber with Jackson Hewitt Tax Services says this year, many taxpayers can claim new deductions from tips and overtime income and an extra $6,000 senior bonus for those 65 and older. But with more money on the table, it could also mean more scammers trying to take advantage.
If they know that people are getting more money now than in the past, especially if for some reason they owe back taxes or they feel like they can trick people into saying, you know, I can get you the best refund, the biggest refund, I'll get you all these breaks, maybe these government programs, but you have to pay this bigger sum up front. Oftentimes that's a scam as well.
The Federal Trade Commission warns of scammers emailing or texting you saying they have processed or approved your tax refund claim. They then ask you to verify your identity by sending a link asking for your personal information. Juliana O'Rourke with the Better Business Bureau says don't click on the link.
So no one from the IRS is going to contact you out of the blue. If anything, they'll send you paper in the mail to explain what's going on with your tax situation.
She says if you think you are being scammed, contact the IRS directly.
They're pressuring you to pay, whether you owe back taxes, they want to give you this refund, they're asking for your information. Hang up, find the contact information for the actual IRS and call them.
If for any reason you give a scammer your information, O'Rourke says freeze your credit and report it to the IRS, the FTC, and the BBB. Megan Bragg, WCNC Charlotte.